Data migration involves some legwork, but you can enhance it with the proper preparation. So let's take a closer look at how to prepare for Intercom Demo Migration. Before actually launching the data migration, you need to add teammates on Intercom. They should be the same as you have on your source platform. Then turn off email notifications. When you've done that, launch the Intercom Demo Migration. First, log in or sign up for your Migration Wizard account. Then choose your source platform. The app might ask you to provide the needed credentials or sign in with your source account. Connect Intercom as your target platform. It means that you need to sign in with your account. Then select the help desk and knowledge base data you want to transfer. If you pick up groups, you need to match them. Click on Match Items to map groups. You can also choose a default group. Then match agents' profiles. The process is the same as group matching. You match agents' profiles and pick a default agent. After that, map ticket fields. You can only map default fields. Map fields carefully to maintain data relations. Click on Save to apply settings. Then map article routes. When you've done that, you can choose the needed automated option. When you migrate to Intercom, you can add a new tag to the migrated tickets. You can also migrate content translations if Zendesk or Freshdesk is your source help desk. Other automated options depend on your source help desk. Finally, click Continue to initiate demo migration. Our tool moves 20 random tickets and articles from your current help desk to Intercom during this data transfer. As demo migration completes, you will view a table with 4 columns: all available records, migrated records, failed records, skipped records. Check the results by downloading reports on migrated, failed, and skipped records. When you've looked through all CSV files, choose the suitable support package and proceed to payment. Now you can start the full data migration.